99% of English learners sound like absolute robots when they talk about food.
Wait, really? What are we saying wrong?
You keep saying, "My favorite food is pizza," over and over again. It's so repetitive.
Oh no. What should we say instead to sound like native speakers today?
Instead of saying, "My favorite food is," use the phrase, "go to meal."
Go to meal? Like something I choose automatically when I'm hungry?
Exactly. For example, pizza is my go-to meal on weekends.
Ah. So I can say, spicy ramen is my absolute go-to meal?
Spot on. You can also say, "I have a weak spot for," to show you love a specific food.
Oh, I have a weak spot for dark chocolate. That sounds so elegant.
And if you want a specific food right at this very moment,
I would say, I want to eat sushi. Is that okay?
it's fine, but native speakers prefer saying, "I'm craving sushi tonight."
Craving. Yes, I hear that in movies all the time. I'm craving sushi.
Now, let's look at lesson block 2. We need to completely banish one word.
Let me guess, are we banning the word delicious?
Yes. Delicious is okay, but it sounds a bit too formal and dramatic for daily life.
What do we say instead when something tastes absolutely amazing?
If a food is incredibly satisfying, say, "It hits the spot."
Hits the spot. So, like, this cold lemonade really hits the spot on a hot day?
Perfect. And if the food is exceptionally good, say it's to die for.
Ew, my grandma's homemade apple pie is simply to die for.
Wow, you're a natural. What about salty, rich, non-sweet foods? Instead of tasty, use savory.
Savory. Like a savory beef stew or a warm, savory pastry.
Exactly. Now for our third lesson block, we have to talk about food textures.
Textures? Like how the food actually feels inside your mouth.
Yes. If meat is incredibly soft, tender, and easy to chew, we say it is melt in your mouth.
Melt in your mouth. Like, this slow-cooked steak is melt in your mouth tender.
Yes. And what about crunchy, fresh foods like potato chips or fresh lettuce?
We say they are crispy or crunchy, right?
Correct. And finally, if you love sweet foods like cakes and cookies, what do you have?
Ah. I have a massive sweet tooth.
Spot on. Now let's put all of this together in a real-life roleplay.
I'm ready. Let's practice.
Hey, I'm absolutely starving. What are you craving for dinner tonight?
Honestly, tacos are my absolute go-to meal whenever I'm really hungry.
No way. I have a major weak spot for Mexican food too.
Right? The crispy shells and that savory beef are just out of this world.
Stop, you're making my mouth water. Let's head to that new taco spot downtown.
Yes. Their hot spicy salsa really hits the spot, and their churros are to die for.
Well, you definitely have a massive sweet tooth. Let's get going.
I'm already in the car, let's go eat.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video right now and write your go-to meal in the comments.
Make sure to use at least one new adjective we learned today. We are reading all of them.
Time for a super quick recap. First, use go-to or craving instead of favorite food.
Second, upgrade delicious to hits the spot or to die for.
And third, describe food textures using tender, crispy, or talk about your sweet tooth.
Subscribe for daily English tips. New video every single day.
See you tomorrow for another quick English upgrade.